Join me as I dive deep into the current trends and data to analyze Wolf stock like a pro. Let's see if I can make sense of it all. Wolf stock has been on many investors' radars lately, and for good reason. The company's recent performance has been quite volatile, leaving many to wonder what's next. As someone interested in making informed investment decisions, you're probably curious about the factors driving Wolf's stock price. One of the major challenges facing Wolf stock right now is market volatility. We've seen some wild swings in the market recently, and Wolf hasn't been immune to that. Couple that with some recent company news that's left investors questioning the future, and you've got a recipe for uncertainty. It's tough to predict how things will play out, but understanding these challenges is key. The company's recent financial reports have shown some mixed signals. On one hand, they've had some positive earnings reports that suggest stability in certain areas. On the other, some analyst ratings have been downgraded due to concerns over long-term growth. It's a complex picture, and investors need to consider all the factors. Delving deeper into Wolf's financial health, their recent earnings reports did show some promising trends. Revenue has been steady, but there's been a noticeable dip in profit margins. What does this mean for investors? It could indicate a need for the company to adjust its strategy or for investors to adjust their expectations. Analyst ratings are all over the place, reflecting the uncertainty in the market. Looking ahead, one critical insight to keep in mind is that Wolf's stock price could see significant movement based on how the company addresses its current challenges. If they can stabilize their financials and show a clear path to growth, we might see a positive shift. Conversely, if they struggle to adapt, it could lead to further declines. The factors at play here are complex, involving not just Wolf's internal strategies but also broader market trends. Keeping an eye on their next financial reports and any major announcements will be crucial for anyone invested or considering an investment. To recap, Wolf stock is at a crossroads with several factors influencing its trajectory. From market volatility and company news to financial health and analyst ratings, there's a lot to consider. Whether you're currently invested or thinking about it, understanding these dynamics is essential. If you've got thoughts on Wolf stock or any other investments, I'd love to hear them in the comments below. Also, if you haven't already, check out my previous video on stock market trends for more insights. Thanks for tuning in.